Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Impulse Inc. VIP. Now we're actually here on malwaretips.com, and it is a website that reports fakes or scams. So as you can see here, it says beware the fake Impulse Inc. job scam, and then read our report. And I actually read all of this, so if you scroll down here, basically they say that some known versions of portals supporting this fake Impulse Inc. jobs and commission scam include. So these are the portals that include the scam, and they actually say how the Impulse Inc. mall job scam unfolds. So number one, it would be to say that they have unsolicited job offer messages, and number two, they build trust through Impulse Inc. branding. So when interested users inquire, scammers direct them to fake Impulse Inc. mall portals describing available customer service, product promotion, and sales jobs tied to Impulse Inc. merchants. And then another one would be the multi-phase onboarding process. An intricate multi-phase onboarding process begins using psychology to manipulate users. First, simple liking and sharing tasks get introduced. Gradually, additional responsibilities follow, like surveys and reviewing products. Now the dashboard for tracking simulated earnings, small initial fund requests, cryptocurrency payment direction. This one is the biggest red flag, is cryptocurrency. Steadily increasing transfer sizes, total accrued funds stolen, and then a lot more. So beware of this job scam. So do not fall for it. It is completely a scam, especially involving cryptocurrency. And yeah, that is it. That is the review on the fake Impulse Inc. job scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.